How to fix an extended error has occurred in Windows. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this issue. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is simply go ahead and open up your PowerShell. Go to the search bar and then simply search for Windows PowerShell and then right click on it to run it as administrator. Now click on yes to allow permissions. Now what you're going to have to do is paste in this code right here. You can pause the video and type in the code, or you could just find the code on the description down below. Now hit enter. And once that is done, all you need to do is just go ahead and type in Y as yes. So if you are sure that you want to modify on target SMB client configuration, you can just type on yes, Y for yes, and A for yes to all, and for no, L to all, S for suspend. So you can just go ahead and type in Y and then hit enter, and you should be good to go. After doing that, you could just open your shared folder. I currently don't have any shared folder over my network. So after doing that, you could just go ahead and restart your PC. Give it a quick restart and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.